$10 does not sound like much. A coffee here, lunch there, maybe a streaming service you forgot about. No big deal, right? Wrong. The $10 per day is costing you over $1 million in retirement. Let me show you the math. $10 per day is $300 per month. Most people spend this without thinking. Starbucks, DoorDash fees, impulse buys at Target. Now watch what happens if you invest that instead. $300 per month invested at 8% annual returns for 40 years becomes $1,037,000. One coffee per day is literally $1 million decision. But here's what really hurts. You are not just losing the money you spent. You are losing all the money that money could have made. This is called opportunity cost. Every dollar you spend today is actually costing you 3 to 5 times that much in future. Well, so what do? Track every dollar for 1 month. No judgment, just awareness. You will be shocked where your money actually goes. Then identify your top 3 unconscious spending habits. The ones you do not even enjoy that much, but do anyway out of convenience. Cut just one. Take that money and automate it straight into investments. You will not miss it after 2 weeks. Your brain adapts fast. The difference between wealthy people and broke people is not income. It is thousands of tiny decisions compounded over decades. The $10 habit feels harmless today. In 40 years, it is the difference between working until you die and retiring early. Choose wisely.